What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex and we're going to be going over Nikola Motors, ticker symbol NKLA. Now this stock has a pretty bad taste in a lot of investors' mouths right now, especially with all the fraud that Trevor Milton, the former CEO of the company, had done, such as rolling the trucks down a hill to pretend it's moving along, stuff like that. And it's left a really bad taste in a lot of investors' mouths, and that's why the stock has basically plummeted all the way from its all-time highs of around 80 or so dollars, very, very high all-time highs, as we can see here. All-time highs was it was around $80 per share, so pretty insane run up after its SPAC merger, before tanking a little bit. Really bumpy ride, and overall, it's just in a really nice downtrend, a really nice discount. So I'm really looking at this in a bullish standpoint from the long term, just because of how beaten down the stock is and how underestimated people are really taking this company. Sure, they're not as far along as Trevor Milton has praised on his Twitter accounts, but they are definitely looking for the long-term future, and this is definitely a solid company looking for long-term growth. If you take a look at Nikola Motors jobs, there's hundreds of jobs out there right now. If this was a fraud company, they wouldn't be hiring tons and tons of positions, investing tons and tons of money into these employees. As we can see, tons of open positions right here, continuously adding more, and it's something that I've been noticing recently. One of my coworkers, his cousin, actually works at the plant as a UA designer, so this is a real company, and they definitely are trying to work on some real products, but they're not as far as say Trevor Milton, how he presented the company. But this is definitely a really strong, definitely speculative long-term growth company. If they can get these hydrogen fuel cell trucks out on the road, this is going to see a really skyrocket in Nikola Motors stock. So right now it's sitting at a really low price point. All-time lows was around $9.02 per share, so it's sitting $1 above the all-time lows, which is a really good dip buying opportunity, especially for people looking for the next hot thing. So for me, I'm just casually selling some cash secured puts, especially on this stock. It doesn't like to go below $9. Really nice support on the $9 price point, so I'm selling week over week Nikola Motors cash secured puts, especially at the $9 price point. If it goes below $9, I don't mind picking up 100 shares of this company. So I'm basically betting against all of the investors, basically just plummeting the stock, selling out of it. So even though it's left a bad taste, Trevor Milton, he's no longer with the company. They're definitely making some moves in the right direction. They're actually partnering with a fuel cell supply company, Bosch, for a deal for hydrogen fuel cells to power their hydrogen trucks. This is pretty huge. They're investing a lot. They're doing a lot of partnerships. They basically want their dreams to come alive. And Nikola Motors trucks, they do look very futuristic, very nice, technologically advanced trucks that they're trying to produce. So if they can pull it off, they're definitely going to have a really steep run up in the stock price, especially for this company. They also won a nice grant for $2 million to study the hydrogen refueling energy by the Energy Department. So it's pretty huge as well. They're getting some nice funding. They're getting some nice partnerships, and basically this is all going under the radar. The stock is not really moving. It's actually getting beaten down still, so it's down almost 40% the past 3 months. So I'm really looking forward to picking up some shares of this company for the long term. Basically just buy and hold, and just don't even look at it, because it is going to be a pretty bumpy ride. But I can't really see the stock going much lower. Very nice dip buying opportunity in my opinion. I know that a lot of people are not going to agree with this. Definitely is a speculative investment, so definitely don't pour all your money into this stock. that would not be a good idea. Just put some extra side cash that you have into this stock. And I do think that in the long run, when some really big news comes out that they're in production, then this is really when we're going to see the stock skyrocket in price. So that's about it for this video. If it helped in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on Nikola Motors, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.